So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at how to install our Windows ADK, the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit for Windows Server 2019. And also we're going to be looking at how to install the Windows PE, the Windows PE add-on for our Windows ADK. And also, last but not least, we're going to install the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. So let's go right into the folder that we created in the beginning. As you can see, we are right now inside our Windows Server 2019, and click on this PC, go to local disk C, and the folder tools that we copied in our last lesson, click on that, and the first thing we want to right click on is the ADK setup. That one is our Windows ADK. So right click on that and click on Run as Administrator. So on this page, you have to specify the location that we're going to install our Windows ADK to. So I will leave it in C program files x86 kit and 10. So I'm going to go and click next. Then the Windows Kit privacy window, I will just select no. I don't want to send any information to Microsoft. I will click next, and then I will accept the licensing agreement. Accept. And the features to install on this one, the deployment tools, we will install that. Imaging and configuration designer, we will install that. Configuration manager, also we need that. The USMT, yeah, we might need that too. And performance toolkit, Windows user experience, virtualization. So in the features that comes on this page, just accept by default. Don't uncheck any of these boxes and click on install. All right, and then now Windows ADK is now installing its features. Once the Windows ADK is now fully installed, go ahead and click on close and go back into that folder. And the next thing, the next feature we want to install is the Windows ADK WinPE. So Windows PE setup. It used to be that this Windows PE was included in the ADK setup before, but recently Microsoft they've separated the installation into two. So right click on Run as Administrator and specify the same location as the last time. We need another 5 gig, so we'll click next. Click no to Windows Kit privacy. Go on next. Accept the licensing terms, and then it's now going to Windows Preinstallation Environment, Windows PE. It's going to be installed on our server. So we'll click on install. So as you can see, the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit for the Windows Pre-Installation Environment add-on is now installing its features. It's acquiring a Windows PE environment and it's trying to download it and install it on our server. So the Windows PE add-on is now fully installed. Go ahead and click on close, and then go back into the folder. And the last feature we're going to install is Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, the MDT. Right click on that, click install. I'm going to minimize it. The version is 6.3, so click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement and click next, and leave the custom setup location by default and click on next. And it's asking if you want to join Microsoft program for experience. I'll just say I don't want to join at this time, and then click next. and install. It's now copying new files, and as you can see, the MDT is now fully installed. Click on finish, and that's it. So in the next lesson, we're going to be installing Active Directory domain services, DHCP server, and DNS server. Alright, see you next time.